अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी, एक राधा एक मीरा, दोनों ने शाम को चाहा। अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी। Hope the sound is okay. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Thank you. राधा ने मधुवन में ढूंढा, मीरा ने मन में पाया। राधा जिसे खो बैठी गोविंद, मीरा हाथ निभाया। एक मुरली एक गाल, एक बदली और एक गाल। अंतर क्या दोनों की प्रीत में बोलो, अंतर क्या दोनों की प्रीत में बोलो, एक सूरत लुभाई, एक मूरत लुभाई, एक सूरत लुभाई, एक मूरत लुभाई, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दरस दीवानी। उसके बाद अगला गाना ये भी ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हो हम, ऐसी हो हमारी करम। नीति पर चले और बदई से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले गम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हो हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। नीति पर चले और बदई से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले गम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हो हम। Such a beautiful song, such a lovely meaning in it. ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा सानल घबरा रहा। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर कुछ ना नजर, सुख का सूरज छिपा जा रहा है। तेरी रोशनी में वो दम जो बस को कर दे तू नम। नीति पर चले और बदली से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले गम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हो हम। Thank you so much, everyone. Hope you're enjoying. This is such a meaningful song, which exactly Community Response Kitchen are doing. We are helping everybody. Whoever is needy. They are helping everyone in these difficult situations. So please, please, please click on the donate link in the post and donate as much or as little as you can. Every little helps, as we said. So thank you so much, Leena. Thank you, Jyoti ji. Hi, Manik. Jitesh ji, thank you so much. Meenu Shah ji, thank you. Dinesh ji, thank you as always. Thank you so much. Bhavna Tanna ji, thank you. So thank you, everyone. So what we are going to do today is, because we have 1 hour slot, usually we are used to doing like a long 3-4 hours and we can take as many songs. So we didn't, we were thinking what to do so that we can pick the songs. So we have taken
the concept of going along the decade, right from the 50s to the 90s and 2000s. So we would proceed like 50s, we'll do some song, then go on to the 60s, then to the 70s, then to the 80s and so on. So this kind of concept we're going to follow today in this program. We got a very short slot today, about 1 hour. So we'll make the most of it. Thank you. And we're going to take the songs a little bit at a time so that we can do more songs. And please, if you have any requests, do let us know. And we'll try and do it along. We'll do it as we go along. And we'll take the requests as much as possible. Yeah. And please, if we can't see everybody and can't respond to everybody, don't feel bad. We're trying to respond and say hello and appreciate everybody over there.
Thanks, all of you. So yeah, please share as much as you can as well, so that we get more people involved in this wonderful charity work that they're doing. So please let's do our bit. Right, so we are going to start with, are you coming this side? Okay, so starting with
दिया दिल ने कहा झूठी बहार है कहा प्यार से पुकारो जहां प्यार से पुकारो जहां याद दिया दिल ने कहा झूठी बहार है कहा ख्याल में ओ खो रहे हो आज किस ख्याल में याद की दिल ने कहा
प्यार से पुकारे जगा प्यार से पुकारे जगा
ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
कहाँ दो दिलों के मिलकर कभी न होंगे जुदा
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में
ये बाहों में बाहें ये ठहरी निगाहें लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा कहाँ पर तो सारा जहाँ है तुम्हारा
मोहब्बत जगाओ खुला आसमां करे कोई दिल आरज़ू
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
Okay, those were the lovely songs. Those were two lovely songs from the 50s now. Now, we're going to be taking another song.
1964, Wo Konti. We always sing the Lag Cha from that movie. So today
I talked to the musician for this song who has done the music. Let us know
So that was Naina Barse from Wo Kaun Thi. Let's take up another song. Okay, another one coming from 1969. Dinesh Gognaji, your favorite. Always you ask me to sing this. That's for you and for all the lovely people joining here as well. Hi Devang Gohil. Thank you so much for joining. Anish Georgie, thank you.
Guys,
Deepak
please
Mehraji,
share
thank you.
this live video, so other people can enjoy and other people can share this good cause and donate for it as well. Please share this video as much as possible.
And this is Asha Bhosle. 72. Okay. Okay, the next one coming up is
We got a request for we have Rekha ji and Prakash ji. It's their 25th marriage anniversary from Edgware, London, and their Rex Jamie ji has requested a song for their 25th anniversary. So we're gonna take Kabhi Kabhi for them, or Kabhi Kabhi. Okay, we'll go
happy
for
anniversary to both of you, and may God bless you. Wishing you an eternity of togetherness and love from all of us here.
Okay, so let's celebrate this couple's marriage anniversary with this lovely song coming.
And also please donate on the link in the post as well for Community Response Kitchen for doing such a fantastic job.
There you go. This is for Prakash ji and Rekha ji. Prakash ji, Rekha ji, you're watching.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि बदन ये निगाहें मेरी अमानत है, कि बदन ये निगाहें मेरी अमानत है, ये यीशु की घनी छाँव है मेरी खातिर, ये होठ और बाहें मेरी अमानत है, ये होठ और बाहें मेरी अमानत है।
Thank you. So this was a special song for marriage anniversary for Rekha ji and Prakash ji from Edgware. I hope you love this. Okay, now another song. This one. This is another lovely song for a lovely couple. तुम मगर साथ देने का वादा करो. We'll take a little bit of every song and then move forward. This song is from the same era. Does anybody recognize this song? Guys, please comment and share. If you have got any information, let us know so we can take that request.
साथ देगा वादा करो मैं यूं मस्त रंग में लुटा तुम मुझे देखकर मुस्कुराती रहो मैं भी देखकर गीत गाता रहूं तुम मगर साथ देगा वादा करो मैं यूं मस्त रंग में लुटा रहूं.
Linda, this is especially for you. Linda Deshmukh, this is especially for you. Hello, Pooja ji.
कितने जलवे पीराओं में बिखरे मगर मैंने अब तक किसी को पुकारा नहीं. तुमको देखा तो नज़रें कहने लगी हम चेहरे से हटना गवारा नहीं. तुम मगर मेरी नज़रों में आके रहो मैं हर एक शय से नज़रें चुराता रहूं. तुम मगर साथ देगा वादा करो मैं यूं मस्त रंग में लुटा रहूं.
That was another lovely song from that era. This was especially for Leena, her favorite song. So, and Dinesh Gognaji, thank you. You're always so supportive. Everybody else, I can't see who else is there. Let me scroll through. Prachi, thank you. Prachi, Prashant, Pooja ji, thank you. Thank you, Bhagwati ji. Okay, now we're moving on to the. हाँ तो 80s नहीं है 70s हो गया okay so we're going to move on to the 70s now okay There's a lovely song from Andhi
yeah.
I think everybody will recognize the song as soon as the music comes on. This golden era songs are such amazing songs with such melodious composition. Everybody recognizes them every time.
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा
से शिकवा तो नहीं। Vivek Manisha, this is for you guys as well. Belated happy anniversary. काश ऐसा हो तेरे कदमों से चलके मंजिल चले और कहीं दूर कहीं। काश ऐसा हो तेरे कदमों से चलके मंजिल चले और कहीं दूर कहीं। तुम तेरे साथ हो मंजिलों की कमी तो नहीं। तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं। शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं। Thank you so much.
ओके, काफी अभी रूहानी गाने हो गए तो थोड़ी मस्ती हो जाए, तो थोड़ा सा हटके सॉन्ग मजे वाला। हाँ हाँ, लेकिन वो लगता है ना।
Is this okay?
Yeah, yeah. Anybody knows which song this is?
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। चांद तारों से चलना आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना आगे। चांद तारों से चलना आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये ज़माना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। Okay, so that was Zindagi Ek Safar. This song was inspired by Dinesh Gopinath. I heard him singing last time, so I love this song when he was singing it, so I thought I would sing it right this time.
Know this tune? You don't have much time, so we're skipping off. दुआ करें, इसके सिवा रब से कुछ भी चाहे ना। ये पगला समझाने से समझेगा, ये पगला समझाने से समझेगा। बहुत प्यार करते तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते तुमको सनम। कसम चाहे लो, कसम चाहे लो, खुदा की कसम। बहुत प्यार करते तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार करते तुमको सनम। बहुत प्यार तुमको सनम, बहुत प्यार तुमको सनम। Now, we're going to take a couple of songs.
तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और वादा है जानम। तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और वादा है जानम। जो कभी हम मिले तो ज़माना देखेगा अपना प्यार। ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार, तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और वादा है जानम। तो कभी हम मिले तो ज़माना देखेगा प्यार। ओ मेरे यार, ओ मेरे यार, तुमसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, प्यार का इरादा है और वादा है जानम। Disco dancer, I am a disco dancer. जिंदगी मेरा मैं वैसे ही गाता गाना। तो झूमो तो नाचो, ओ मेरे साथ नाचो। I am a disco dancer, I am a disco dancer, I am a disco dancer. This was requested by somebody. आएगी तू, आई रंग मस्ताना कब आएगी तू, जाएगी गाना कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रंग मस्ताना कब आएगी तू, जाएगी गाना कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। और बजाओ lovely dancing melody.
Are you okay? You were jumping too much. You have to sing.
So now we got Tia here. Our lovely Tia is going to sing a song called Vaste.
It's the newest version to 2019, I think. So that's our little new generation kid. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you were dancing wherever you are. Ready? We only have a few minutes left, I guess. So after this, I'll take a dancing medley as well to finish it off.
Well, I don't dance at all.
Brilliant.
So that was my
Hope you
Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone, for your support for Tia. Say thank you to everyone.
Thank you,
Say what you want.
everyone. And that was my song from Vasudev, from Delhi, from Dhwani.
Dhwani Bhanushali, yes.
Oh my God.
Right, okay. Right, everybody is saying thank you so much, everyone, for your encouragement for Tia. She's run off now, so we'll take over. And how much time we have, Sachin?
Let me check. Got about 4-5 minutes.
Okay, I'll just take a quick thank you, everyone. Keep your love and blessings flowing for Tia. And also, again, to remind you, please click on the link to donate for a very wonderful cause. Community Response Kitchen, they are doing such a fantastic job of helping all the needy right now. They're even helping the students who are stuck here. Please go on to their YouTube channel. They have their page. They have all the details, the videos, everything over there. Please go on there and have a look at the beautiful, wonderful job they're doing right now. And they need our support. Every little bit helps. So please chip in as much as you can. Thank you so much. So last medley of the day, just to cheer you all up.
Yeah.
Okay, the time is up, so we have to finish up. So our 1 hour is over. So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you for supporting us and being with us. Please support the charity as well. So I think we'll just
Thank you
Thank you.
everyone for
thank you
joining
for the
us.
community kitchen as well, and
Absolutely. And please, as we said,
and
keep
Bhagwati
saying
ji and all the team.
Yeah.
The community response team, Jyoti Wakaria ji, thank you.
Daksha Varsani ji,
Daksha
Paresh
Varsani
Chetwa
ji.
ji, the community response, the founder, they started this, and it has grown so much that it's UK wide now, and they are providing their services everywhere. So really, they need every one of us to chip in and do this for the good. So thank you everyone for joining us. There will be more people, more artists coming up throughout the day as well. So please stay tuned, and you will
Enjoy the
be able to
music.
enjoy the music. It's going to be a melodious evening, the whole day actually, for all of you. So thank you so much once again, and bye-bye. Oh,